I would just like to thank Marcus Koh for sending me this package. So, boss, thank you so much. I couldn't thank you enough. Yeah, let's proceed to the unboxing. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Yeah. First yo-yo is this. I wonder what this is. It's the white trident. Oh, bro. Yay! It's so nice, bro. So the first yo-yo is the AP edition Trident from ThrowRevolution, of course. Yeah. This yo-yo is so beautiful. So next yo-yo is this. Okay. Oh, yep. The red and gold trident. Yep. Wow. Okay. It's so nice, bro. Oh, wow. Yep. Third yo-yo is this. Let's open it. Oh wow! It comes with 84 string. Oh wow. I want to try this string. I'll try this later. So we have the pendulum. So I actually tried the pendulum at Philippine National Yoyo Contest last year. So if you guys didn't know, this is Miggy Hazen's signature yo-yo, and this colorway is nice. So I think this is also called as the Floor is Lava colorway, and yeah, this is nice. And the last yo-yo is an off-string yo-yo. So yeah, this is the new off-string yo-yo for ThrowRevolution. I think this is just an upgrade version for the original off-string yo-yo for ThrowRevolution, which is the HMO2. And yeah, the shape is nice, and yeah, I'm going to be improving my off-string soon. So yeah, I'll just do my best in off-string. I don't really do off-string that much, but oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's all the yo-yos I've got from ThrowRevolution. So yeah, these are all the yo-yos I've got from my sponsorship package from ThrowRevolution. Again, thank you so much, Marcus Koh, for sending me this package, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, peace out.